Hi, we're assembling our modular window wells that are galvanized, square, and cost effective. Here are the components that you need that you would receive. Right today we're building a 42-inch wide, 14-inch projection and 21 inches into the ground. With every modular window well, you're going to receive a card that shows you all the components that you should receive and how it is put together. As you can see now, I've already started. I've staggered my pieces to get to my 21 inches in height. I've also added a 28-inch angle iron on the bottom edge for some rigidity. I have another one here that I will add to the top. You just line up the holes and insert your bolts and nuts. So now you can see I've assembled the front, I would guess you'd say, and I've bolted it all together. The trick is to do it loosely, put everything together and then tighten it up. I've got my corners on here, and I've also built my two sides. So you would set this in here, bolt the sides on, and away you go. At a later date, we will show you how we add these angle irons to our sides as well for extra rigidity on the larger wells.